Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic happy planner that I use as a journal. And this week I'm going to be decorating with some of the stickers from the latest Beach Vibes Planything. I can never say that right. Planything box. So I'll be using these stickers and some of the washi. All right, let's get started. Alrighty, so I love that box. It's pretty. I don't know if I'll be able to use that. Like, how gorgeous are these? I think I'm gonna just go in and take one of these. This is actually really thick paper. Oh, you could take the circle out in the middle if you wanted to. How cool is that? And then put this down on Monday. And I'm going to combine it with that. Now, actually, before I even look at it, do I want to combine the two? Or do I want to just use one over the other? No, we'll combine them. No, I'm going to save the flowers for a different spread. Oh gosh, it's very sticky. And if I say I'm going to save the flowers for a different spread, then am I going to use this? Oh, yeah, we'll use it. Okay, so put that down. I don't really care that I'm putting it over the day. Then washi, there it is. This is beautiful washi. Amber's doing such a great job with this. So I'm gonna just rip it a little bit off. And there. So it looks a little bit more, I don't want to say authentic, but you know what I mean. Like, rather than just a straight cut. These are gorgeous. And then I'm gonna take one of these. I don't want to rip it. And place it here. It's so pretty. And then place it with some glasses. Let's look at these. Oh, come on, peel up. Peel up. Oh, that one's having a hard time peeling up. There we go. Oh gosh, that's so cute. Oh, I love that. I love that. Then, what else could I use from here? I really like these. Look at how clear that is. And then I want to combine it with a box. Feels like you can't really see much of the color until you actually put it down on the page. And I'm going to combine it with this, as well as a little bit of washi, just to create my little cluster. And I am in love with that. So pretty. Then, you know what, if I'm going to add, you know what, I'm going to combine both. And add this little sprig here to add that third here, and then I'm going to add a little sprig here as well. Just to add something. Okay. Then down here, what do I want to do? Okay, now maybe let's go into a floral. So if I'm going to combine the two types of stickers, might as well. Okay, and then it's a little bit difficult for me to peel up. There we go. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. Oh, and I wrinkled it. Then let's grab one of these boxes. Place it here with a little bit of washi again. You guys kind of, if you're familiar with my horizontal planner and the way that I use this, you know that in terms of decoration, I do keep it generally the same every week. It makes it easier for me to decorate. But yeah, little clusters. And I also just want to say, really quickly, thank you guys for all of your lovely comments in last week's video. I really appreciate you guys all just looking out for me, making sure I'm okay. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for all of your lovely comments and messages. It's, yeah, you guys are why, you know, the planner community is so fantastic. All right, so I'm going to take this big sticker and place it right here. Then yes, it does take up a little bit of the writing room for Sunday, but I think it's gonna look so awesome. And then I'm gonna combine it with this washi. With, so cute with these. I just love how the colors all just go together, and there. Very simple. And then I can still use this whole place to write in. And then Saturday I'll put here, and then Friday. So let's do this for Friday. Yeah, this for Friday. With, again, just a tiny little bit of washi, not a ton, just a little hit of washi. And sunglasses or a popsicle or seashell. Well, actually, let's do a little floral. There we go. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Then, just moving this out of the way. Lastly, Saturday. Gosh, there's so many pretty ones here, but I want to, I love that. Pick this one and place it with, where will it not get lost? This one. I feel like if I combine the two, so let's put this up like so, because it's such a pretty sticker. And then place it with washi. You guys know me. And just like that. And a tiny bit here. Just to finish that off. Holy crap. I love that. I really love that. It's so pretty and it's so simple and it's very beachy. I almost have to, I feel like I have to apologize to Amber because I live in an area where there aren't, the closest beach is like a good hour-and-a-half drive away, and it's not even a beach, it's like a small lake. But anyway, so the Planything Beach Vibes box is out now. I've put an affiliate link in the description below for you guys, but I'm just amazed at the artwork and the quality of the box. So thank you so much, Amber. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Thank you.